doing, Vince? One bite.
It's yummy. It's yummy. Watch, Vince. Look.
Look, Vince.
Look, Vince. Look. Mmm. Yummy.
Here, Vince. Take some. Take a bite, Vince.
Vince,
Say cheese.
He's like, I'm supposed to do food.
Vince, say cheese and crackers.
Come on, it's yummy. See, look.
No, don't, no lemon. No, my lemon. That's my lemon. That's my lemon. Mine. No, that's not Vincent. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it, Vincent. Don't take a big bite.
Don't eat it.
Don't take a
Don't
big
eat it.
bite.
No.
Don't take a big
Don't
bite.
eat it.
Don't eat it, Vincent. That's a good way to teach him not to do things. Just tell him don't, so that he learns to listen and not to eat it, because he remembers it's nasty.
You want some more?
Don't eat it.
Do you want more?
Don't eat it. It's not Vincent. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Whatever you do not take a bite out
Don't
of that
eat it.
lemon.
No, that's mommy.
Don't eat it.
Where to put them?
You alright, buddy?
Here's Vince.
It's on his nose.
It's in his nose.
Go to the bathroom, wash it off. Go back and wash it off.
Am I the last one?
Come on, let's go rinse it off.